On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Lisbeth Muller, and today I will show you an Asian chicken dinner that's absolutely delicious. And with the skin off, and then I prefer to cut it myself in the sizes that I want. I showed you before I put the hand on there and I cut the chicken in half. And I cleaned off the chicken. I put it in the dish separate. I'm going to also put it in the refrigerator while I cook, while I make the oil hot. I don't like to leave my chicken out for too long. It's just not healthy. Okay, so we're doing this here. With this dish, actually, I should tell you that I'm going to cook some perfect white rice. Okay, you don't need a rice cooker for it, and it's simple. I'm going to show you a fast way to cook rice, white rice. You can also make brown rice for a healthier choice. Maybe you have a diet going on and you don't want to get fat, so you want to choose brown rice instead.